generator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that I found at Asian Family Market on 130th and Aurora down in Seattle land, and this is Yumei Night Market Chow Mein soy sauce flavor. This is like a little fancy box. Check it out. It goes like says things and stuff. Got a noodle block. I don't know what's in here. I think I know. And yeah. So okay. We cook these up for 2 to 3 minutes. 1, 2, and get that going first. I don't even have scissors. What kind of day is this? We had a crazy weekend over here, folks. The last 2 episodes I did involved our buddy Matt coming by and baking bread, and boy, we got housed. Let me just say that. I definitely did. But it was fun. Like, it takes like 3.5 hours to cook a loaf of bread. Well, the bread machine takes 3.5 hours to do it. And both loaves came out just freaking awesome. But I know the first loaf of bread video should come out, but I don't know how much I want to have the second one come out, because I was, you know, I was kind of hoping those noodles might be kind of good just straight out of the thing, but no, not really. So, what did we do? Played music. I played a bunch of harmonica. Matt brought his guitar. Miles' birthday's next week, so Miles is really into music, so I said, dude, bring your guitar. That'd be like the best present ever. He brought presents too for both the kids. He's a good guy. And yeah, oh man. Vodka and orange juice and cheap 0-calorie fizzy water. I'm good. Although I had some orange juice and it was really good, so I'm going to have more orange juice, I think, and fizzy water. So that's enjoyable. Oh, I'm out of fizzy water, aren't I? I think I'm out of the fizzy water, so I just have to drink straight orange juice. I like to mix it, so I will have to get more fizzy water. But didn't set the timer. Yeah, I'm beat. Oh, it was a busy weekend. Did a bunch of walking around and doing, and yeah, it was good. Miles is back to school, and the weather has changed. It's like maybe just peaking over 70 degrees. There's a breeze, actual breeze. It may rain, and the air quality has gotten back to more of a standard setting for the area. Instead of cracking the higher the number, the worse the air. It was like at 217. Usually it's around like 14. It's a little high, but right now, but higher than 14. Now they're saying there's another forest fire that's actually in the state that's like 4,000 acres. So it's probably going to get nasty again. But it is dark and it's windy out and it's threatening to rain. So we shall see what happens with the rest of the day, you know? Yeah. And what am I doing? Waiting for packages. Got a package coming from Marchand today. I don't know. I asked for something from them, and hopefully it'll arrive today. So it's got to be what it is. But the thing is, though, I asked about it, and I was like, "Can you let me know or something?" No response, just all of a sudden a package notification. It's like, no, I want to talk to you guys. I like talking to you guys. I used to talk to people from Maruchan all the time. And then, like them and Nissan, they got these PR teams and stuff. And it just kind of like, it bums me out. Because I really like to have like a person that I talk to. Like that's my contact, my buddy over there. And that's how it used to be, but that all changed about 5 years ago. Most of those companies, they just decided, nope, we are going to have our PR teams and that's it. So now let's cook this up. So what you do, what I have to do, what I'm going to do, so you put a little oil in the pan. That's probably plenty. And then you have to add it says there's a package with sprouts, and I'm gonna guess this one that says vegetable package will be the one with the sprouts. If not, then it won't be. But there's another package, and I don't know what's in there. Those are sprouts. He calls them sprouted beans, which I like that. But you're supposed to stir fry these a little bit. Yeah, these are mung bean sprouts. Ow, and they're biting me. Spatulate. Stir fry these a little bit. I need to drain these noodles. I just had a large beverage. Maybe I need to drain my noodle too. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Real funny, Ramen Raider. What else you got? Yeah, I know. How long it wanted this done for, but it's definitely doing the trick. They're loosening up. It also mentioned adding vegetables and meat. So what I'm going for here is a little bit of stir fry meat to at least do that to it. Probably should have done that first, but you know. C'est la vie. It's got that pickled, I think maybe they're pickled. So this Yumei brand, I've had some from them. I think I've had one that I like and a half dozen that I've really not liked. But I'm hopeful. Anything that says night market on it, oh man, it's gotta be good, right? I would hope. If you don't know, night markets, this is a Chinese product, but night markets in Taiwan, oh man. So it's basically like, think of super packed, lots of food, and honestly, if you're going over there from the States, the food is cheap, and there's so much to try. I mean, you run the gamut of all the neat stuff. Let's see what we got here. I bet you it's going to be some kind of soy thing. No, this is more vegetable. Maybe more vegetable. Well, I'm throwing that in too. Is that carrot? I don't know what that is. We'll find out. We will definitely be finding out what that is exactly. It certainly looks like carrots. Night market carrots, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let's drop the noodles in. And I picked the wrong side of the pan to be doing this with. That's really not fitting well. I'm gonna make a big mess. Yep, see? I'm making a big freaking mess. But I have to use the other pan for something else, see? So don't worry. I'll clean the stove. Okay, and then we got sesame seeds too. Alright. Sesame seeds, carroty looking things. Maybe it's ginger. That'd be nice. Certainly doesn't smell like ginger. Certainly doesn't smell like a heck of a lot of anything yet. Here we go. This will either be good or bad. Fam will want to eat it. I don't know. My lovely wife and daughter just went to the store to grab a couple things. I was like, man. So my next two reviews are going to be a meat manufacturer. There's a shoyu and a miso, and I want, forgive me, I want corn for the miso. I was like, man, maybe I'll just have to do that tomorrow. She's like, we can go out and get it. I'm like, really? That's super cool. So I just drove down to the store to get a couple things, and by the time I'm going to do the shoyu first, by the time that's all done, they'll be back with corn. So I'll be able to do the miso next, and then I've got a fancy refrigerated section champon to do after that. So he's good. Alright, I think we've about run the course of this. I think this is about as mixied up as we need to get it. So, alright, let's throw this on a plate and give it a taste. Man, it's so dark out there. Kids will really want to go to the park tonight. I'm really hoping it's not raining, but at least it's nice that it'll be cooler. It's like in the middle of the day, Mimi's like, can we go to the park? And it's like, yeah, if you want to like get first degree burns all over your body from the sun beating down on the playground equipment that you could like fry a steak on. Yeah, we could do that, but we prefer not to. We like the screams of having fun, not the screams of agony and pain, so. Alright. Nice gauge noodle. Let's give this a try. Let's try it from over here. Maybe I didn't mix it up enough. But I immediately have a bit of a complaint about this. Let's see what these are. I think it's carrot. I don't know. What I will say about that is it's pretty darn bland. And that's a bummer, because it looks like it should be like very flavorful, super saucy, but kind of got a blandness to it. But that's all right. I mean, it's not bad. did there, you don't just let it go all crazy, you elevate the bowl. Look at that, they're all in one spot. See that? Okay, and I'm gonna add, just so you can actually see them, a little more sesame seeds, and I think that's good. So 1 down, 3 to go. Yeah, I'm actually doing 4 today. I really wasn't planning on doing that, but I kind of have to. I mean, I don't have to, but I figured, come on, it's Monday. It's Monday. Yeah. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is going to be the first of 2 reviews from a Meet the Manufacturer series of this. This is by a company called Nishiyama Saimen out of Sapporo, Japan. There's 2 varieties in here. There's a miso and a shoyu. And the first one will be the shoyu because I don't have any corn and my lovely wife and daughter are going and getting me some. Thank you so much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and until tomorrow, bye-bye.